Blink by Malcolm Gladwell. There is no better sight than looking yourself in the mirror each morning, knowing that you are one step closer to your goals. Don't sell your agenda, stand your ground, and fight against anything that tries to blockade your progress. Main point is decisions made very quickly can be as good as decisions made cautiously and deliberately. We constantly use snap judgments in everyday life. When it comes to love, for example, we know if we feel attracted to a person the instant we meet them. Football players, on the other hand, use their goal instinct to help them automatically move into a scoring position. Some investors even listen to their back pains to know when it's time to sell their stocks. In all of these situations, the decisions are reached in the unconscious part of the brain. Market research is not always a good indicator of true consumer behavior. For example, several decades ago, Coca-Cola carried out a number of taste tests and was forced to conclude that its rival, Pepsi, scored much higher than Coke. As a response, the company changed its recipe and introduced a new kind of Coke to the market, named as New Coke. All taste tests indicated it would be a huge hit. The result? New Coke was one of the biggest product flops of all time and was eventually pulled off the market. If you're launching a new product, make sure you get feedback under realistic conditions. The key message of this book is, the human brain can make snap judgments in the book summary of an eye. In certain situations, these snap judgments are far superior to conscious analysis, whereas sometimes they can lead to bad choices and unfair appraisals of others. In all these examples, Blink reveals that great decision makers aren't those who process the most information or spend the most time deliberating, but those who have perfected the art of thin slicing, filtering the very few factors that matter from an overwhelming number of variables.